What's going on, everybody? It's Geddis Shonekan, team lead of the ShoBros here at Coldwell Banker Vanguard Realty. If you watched my last video, we talked about the first step you need to take in order to walk the path towards homeownership. In that video, I talked about the fact that there's a bunch of different loan types. So I wanted to talk about one of those loan types today, FHA. One of the benefits of FHA is the low down payment. You only have to put 3.5% of the purchase price down on the home. So let's say the house costs $300,000. 3.5% of that is $10,500. Now, I say that's low and I know that's a lot of money, but it is much lower than having to put 10 or 20% down. Another benefit of FHA is the flexible credit score. A lot of these other loan types require you to have a higher credit score, but with FHA, you can get approved as low as 580. What's even more interesting is that if your credit score is lower than 580, like say in that 5 to 579 range, if you could put more money down, let's say 10, 15%, you might be able to even get approved with that. Something you have to think about with FHA loans is mortgage insurance. What is mortgage insurance? Mortgage insurance protects the bank in case the person that is buying the home defaults on their loan. And yes, you have to pay it. Now, with FHA, that mortgage insurance, you have to pay for it the life of the loan. So let's say you build 20% of equity in the house, you're still going to pay that mortgage insurance. But don't fret. You can refinance the loan to a conventional loan and remove the mortgage insurance that way. The other thing is FHA appraisals. FHA appraisals tend to be much more strict than conventional loans. So if there's anything that could potentially be wrong with the property that the appraiser sees outside of the inspector, they may make that appraisal subject to those repairs being fixed. But we'll talk more about appraisals in a later video. So if you like what you see, hit the like, follow, subscribe. That way you'll get that information when that video drops. So those are a few key points with FHA loans. If you're a person that's a first-time home buyer, then it's a great option to go with because you're not required to put as much money down. And if you have a lower credit score, you may still be able to get in the house rather than going conventional that requires you a higher credit score. Now, of course, you have other questions about FHA loans. You're probably going to want to talk to a lender. They can break it down specifically for you. Hope that information helps. If it did help you, go ahead and hit the like, follow, and subscribe button because, hey, we're going to be dropping more videos for you. That way you get to know a little bit more about purchasing a home.